Description of equipment. Main elements of ultrasonic machining are high power sine wave generator, magnetostrictive transducer, tool holder, and tool. This ultrasonic machining comprises of slurry pump, slurry tank, machine body, manual drive, feed mechanism, position indicator, acoustic head, tool, work and work table. High power sine wave generator. This unit converts low frequency 50 to 60 Hz electrical power to high frequency 20 kHz electrical power. Transducer. The high frequency electrical signal is transmitted to the transducer, which converts it to high frequency 15 to 20 kHz low amplitude vibration 5 microns. The function of the transducer is to convert electrical energy into mechanical vibration using the principle of piezoelectric or magnetostriction. There are two types of transducer: piezoelectric transducer, magnetostrictive transducer. Piezoelectric transducer. These transducers generate a small electric current when they are compressed. Also, when the electric current is passed through a crystal, it expands. When the current is removed, the crystal regains its original size and shape. Such transducers are available up to 900 watts. Piezoelectric crystals have a high conversion efficiency of 95%. Magnetostrictive transducer. The magnetostriction effect was first discovered by Joule in 1874. According to this effect, in the presence of the applied magnetic field, ferromagnetic metals and alloys change in length. These transducers are made of nickel or nickel alloy sheets. Their conversion efficiency is about 20 to 30%. Such transducers are available up to 2000 watts. The maximum change in length that can be achieved is about 25 microns. When the frequency of AC signal provided by high frequency generator is tuned to the natural frequency of the transducer, resonance occurs. Because of the resonance amplitude of vibration increases, the transducer length is equal to half of the wavelength for the condition of resonance. Concentrators. Acoustic horn. The oscillation amplitude obtained from the magnetostrictive transducer is usually around 5 microns, which is too small for removal of material from the workpiece. The function of the concentrator, also called mechanical amplifiers, acoustic horn and tool cone, is to amplify the amplitude of vibration of the magnetostrictive transducer from 5 to 50 microns. Concentrator also concentrates the power on a smaller machining area. To get the resonance condition like a transducer, the acoustic cone should be of half wavelength of the resonator. This is the diagram of ultrasonic machining comprising of ultrasonic oscillator, magnetostrictive stack, connecting body, exponential horn, tool, abrasive and workpiece. The second diagram showing ultrasonic generator oscillation at 3 parts: stack stroke, node, loop and node with horn stroke. Tool material. The material of tool should have good acoustic properties and high resistance to fatigue cracking. Appropriate measures should be taken to avoid ultrasonic welding between the transducer and the tool holder. Commonly used holders are of Monel, titanium and stainless steel. Tool holders are expensive, demand high operating cost. Tools are made of relatively ductile materials like brass, stainless steel or mild steel, so that the tool wear rate can be minimized. The values of the ratio of tool wear rate and material removal rate depend on the kind of abrasive work and tool materials.